Know your spices. What's this called? This is turmeric. What's this called? This is cumin. What's this called? It is black cumin. What's this called? This is caraway. What's this called? These are coriander seeds. What's this called? This spice is red chili. What's this called? This is black pepper. What's this called? This is white pepper. What's this called? This is long pepper. What's this called? This seed is mustard. What's this called? These are yellow mustard seeds. What's this called? These are brown mustard seeds. What's this called? This seed is fenugreek. What's this called? These leaves are fenugreek leaves. What's this called? These are dry fenugreek leaves. What's this called? This spice is fennel. What's this called? This seed is anise seed. What's this called? These are carom seeds or Ajwain. What's this called? This ingredient is Asafoetida. What's this called? This bark is cinnamon. What's this called? This bud is clove. What's this called? This pod is green cardamom. What's this called? This pod is black cardamom. What's this called? This leaf is bay leaf. What's this called? This star is star anise. What's this called? This seed is nutmeg. What's this called? These are betel nut or areca nut. What's this called? This is dry ginger. What's this called? This covering is mace. What's this called? This is saffron. What's this called? This is tamarind. What's this called? This is kokum. What's this called? These leaves are curry leaves. What's this called? These are sesame seeds. What's this called? This is jaggery. What's this called? These are poppy seeds. What's this called? These are flax seeds. What's this called? These are Nigella seeds. What's this called? This is dill weed. What's this called? These are basil seeds. What's this called? This is salt. What's this called? This is black salt. What's this called? This is rock salt or Himalayan salt. What's this called? This is Sago. What's this called? This is Ajinomoto. What's this called? This is red chili flakes. What's this called? This is oregano. What's this called? This is foxnut. What's this called? These are chia seeds. What's this called? These are celery seeds. What's this called?
This is cassia bark.